Hello YouTube, welcome back. My name is Sam. Thank you for joining us again today. Today we're gonna cook sweet corn with prawn. Today we're gonna cook prawns with sweet corn. Let's begin. Let's check out the ingredients. First we have half teaspoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chicken stock powder, half teaspoon of white pepper, 1 egg, and 400 grams of prawn. Okay, now let's marinate the prawns. Just mix it around. Make sure it's coated all the prawns. Now we add the egg. And continue to mix it. Okay, we'll marinate it and keep it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Okay, now to coat the prawn, what we need: 10 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, half teaspoon of white pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and about 10 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Just mix everything inside. We will leave the breadcrumb aside as a final coating before we fry the prawn. Now just mix it around. Now let's prepare the corn and add it inside. Cut it into half. We'll be using about half of a corn. You can keep this for other cooking. Mince it into a tiny pieces. I should have used a blender for this. Now let's add this inside. And then mix it around. Okay, now our prawn is almost ready. Let's crack an egg into a bowl first. Okay, 30 minutes is up. Let's go get the prawn from the fridge. Now let's coat up the prawn. Dip it into the egg and then add in the seasoning and put it aside. Okay, we are done. Now let's fry them. Get the pan ready. Now let's add some oil. Now let's fry these bad boys up. We are going to fry it in batches. Just flip it around. Our sweet corn prawns is done. Thank you for watching. Please consider to subscribe and like the video.